So now I'm going to go ahead and do the fabric bolts. And we need to make 8 of them. And apparently there was some fabric bolt board in my kit that I threw away because I could not find anything. I think I probably just looked at it and thought, oh, that's nothing. So, or maybe I did have it because I did have this stuff that I just cut up. So, and I didn't know what it was. And then I had this other paper that I cut up too. So I did find some stuff, and it wanted your boards to be 1 inch by 2 inch, found in the optional embellishment kit. So I just cut these to 1 inch by 2 inch. Now it's going to tell you to fold the fabric bolt in half, wrong sides together, and then place the folded fabric on top of the fabric bolt board using a needle and thread, sew the fabric to the board using the holes in the board. So this can't be it because yours should have holes in it. I'm not even going to do that. I'm going to go for it, and I'm just going to use a hot glue gun. So I'm just going to give this a little finger press. When in doubt, use a hot glue gun. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue here on the back side. I just marked these with I just marked them and then cut them. And you want to kind of keep it in the middle. There we go. And then I'm just going to wrap it. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to glue it on the other side too. Because how cute is that? And then you don't have to you don't have to deal with sewing. If you want this to have a nice clean edge, you could fold that under and then glue it down. That always looks nice too. Oop. Good luck folding that. Okay, that wasn't very smart of me because this is going to be hard to fold over. Did the best I could. Let's see. We'll just go ahead and make sure that that is the back side. I'm just going to cut it off. Make sure you leave yourself plenty of room to fold something under, not like what I just did. And I'm just going to put some glue on here and just fold it down. So not a double fold, single fold. There we go. There's my first bolt. And if you want to sew it down, you can go ahead and sew it down, but I'm just going to do that. So you should have, this was one section, and then you can just refer back to the pictures so you know which way to lay them out. This is my wrong side. I wonder if anyone else is going to be like me and they're going to throw it away because they're not going to know what it was. Alrighty. Looks just as cute. It's going to be my front side. So the trick is put your glue here, not where your fingers need to be. There we go. Okay, I'm going to do another one. Pre-wrap. And you can see where it's going to end because some of some of mine are like just regular cardboard on the back. This one doesn't make a difference. So I'm just going to go ahead. Lay my glue down. All right. Don't those look so cute? This one will have to kind of do that. All right, just keep going. Make all your bolts. And it says to hand tack these down. I'm going to tell you right now, mine's going to get a good old glue gun. Okay, so I have to glue this on the front to get it to end on the right spot. This is directional, so make sure you put it down the right way. And one more. So we should have we should have spider web. Oh, we should have one more. This is this one in the back. Those go together. This one and the spider web, those go together. This one, and then I should have one more for this. So let me go ahead and find my little piece, because I know I had 8 of them. I'll be right. Oh, here it is. Here we go. Right in front of my eyes. Oops, didn't even fold it yet. And once I have my quilt put together, because I'm going to stitch in the ditch, then I'll go ahead and I'll put these on, but I'm not going to do it quite yet. But here they are, and they look absolutely adorable. Let's go ahead and put on the buttons.